how to buy Trackgood AI token. This token it came under the symbol of TRAI, the TRAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. And to be able to buy this token, go and open it on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, this token, if you click on this market, you will see here the Uniswap as decentralized exchange platform. So this token is available there. Just go and click on this pair and you will be redirected to this page. Just click on trade on Uniswap version 2. So after that, you will be redirected to Uniswap page. So as you can see, first I will just disconnect this wallet. Now what you need to do first, just connect your wallet. For this I will use the MetaMask. Now before that, go log into your wallet. Sorry. Now after you log into your wallet, just go and click on connect, and after that you connect your wallet to this page. You will see here this token. Now here select the token that you want to buy with, and after that, as you can see, type here how much you want to buy, but make sure first that you have enough USDT on your MetaMask wallet. If you don't, just go back to your MetaMask and fill your MetaMask wallet by USDT to be able to buy this token on Uniswap. So this is how to buy the Trackgood AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.